Aisha. Fine girl, my tama. Oh.
How are you?
Do you have a problem inside your eye? Why are you wearing eyeglasses?
Problem inside. Okay. I read a book. I read a Chimamanda book.
Chimamanda.
I read her book. Zikora.
Wait,
Chimamanda,
did you?
Yes, Chimamanda. She's a person. I read her book.
You like her?
I read her book. Zikora. You say what?
You like her?
I love her very much. I love her very, very much. I followed her online. I followed her everywhere. I love her much.
Hey!
I love her book. She's a good writer. She writes very well.
Chimamanda is my sister now.
Your sister, Kuma?
She's from Abba. You know Abba. Go and blast about her. Abba. Bendiba Diche. Mob I'm from Abba too. See my house, see their house. We are from the same Muna.
Oh my God! She has my hand.
If you like yourself, I'll go to her house now and snap with her and send for you. She's my sister now. I go to her house every time now.
Oh my God!
I even see her yesterday
I like her
now.
very much.
Yeah, my sister now. Wow, you like her very well.
I love every her book. I read Ghana Dosuna, Popular Hibiscus, Americana,
yes.
Yes. I read her book very well. I want to be like her. I want to be going to conferences everywhere, to be addressing people, talking about gender violence, early marriage. I want to talk about many things. I want to be like her. You know, she's a confident woman. I love her.
It's not
a confident.
You know, people used to listen to her, and even said the other day she went to see this Hillary Clinton, and they were speaking English. Can you speak English like her? Because you know.
Very well.
You know, you don't have to be speaking with this your AISHA accent. People will not hear you. I don't know. Can you speak? So if they invite you to come to America now to speak to them, how will you now speak to them with this your accent now? They will not hear you now.
They will. So when you go to the Romans, you do like the Romans.
Yes.
If I go there, I go to if I go out there, I will speak like them. So wait. Let me show you example. Call me, Misali. Maybe we are in a conference, me and you. You are the you are the
MC.
You call me. You call me. I will address you people here.
Aisha, are you sure you can do it?
Hi, ODOGWU, just call me.
Okay, I should invite you as if we are in a conference so that you come and speak English well for them. Aisha, are you sure? Are you sure?
Hi. I said you'll call me.
Okay.
You call me, I'll talk something.
Okay. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this American conference. All the way from Nigeria. Let me give you guys a wonderful, beautiful lady, Aisha Lawalo. Take the stage, man.
Mashallah. Good morning, Prime Minister. Good morning, GCFR, Congo Republic. Good morning, distinguished judges.
Who is this girl?
Good morning, my fellow intellects.
Jesus.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Aisha Lawal Abdullahi. I'm from Nigeria, and I would like to crave your indulgence as I seek your audience to opine on the issue of bad governance in Africa. You see, most of you here think that Africa is just a country. Well, Africa is more than a country. Africa is a continent with over 54 sovereign countries. And of course we have two sublimed countries whom people seemingly doubt to be Africans. They are Sub-Sahara and Sub-Somali. They are the other two countries, which added would make it 56 sovereign African countries under the Africa continent. So you see, Africa is populated with over billions of people. So it is disrespectful to consider Africa as just a country. Well, the good news is Africa is blessed with natural resources, it's blessed with diverse people, diverse culture, different languages. But, of course, all thanks to colonization, which harnessed the natural resources and seemingly left us with daring natural disasters. It has hampered on the African goods. Now, narrowing this down to Nigeria, where I'm from, as a child, I watched my parents toil day and night just to see me through school because they believe education is the key to success.
Is this Aisha?
However, attaining to that level, the aristocrats
is this
let
Aisha?
me know education is just a spare key Can you imagine? It's Becky to success. Is that it? After all the years of my parents suffering, and then they end up telling me it's just a spare key, not even the key. Damn it. As if that's not enough. They seemingly make it to our face that a child of a nobody cannot become a somebody if he or she does not know anybody. Is that right? Prime Minister, GCFR, my fellow intellects, with your help and our unity, I believe that we can correct the seeming contemporary impression. We can better Africa. Close your mouth, Howard. You open your mouth like a dog.
Hey! Aisha?
What is it? Close your mouth.
Hey!
What is it?
You can speak like this, Aisha.
I know you will talk like that.
Yeah?
So,
Did something
I
enter
tell
inside you?
that.
Hey! Why do you now?
You do like
Why do you now use Hausa accent to talk, Kwana? If you can speak well like this, Kwana.
I like my accent, ODOGWU. I like the way I talk. This is my this is my accent, my Nigerian accent. I am an Hausa lady, and I speak. This is how we speak. This is our identity. You know, many people like to hide themselves. They
Yes,
feel ashamed. They do this, they do that. To me, I am trying to correct that. Wherever you are, the way you speak, your dialect, it is your identity. It shows where
it's
you
your
are.
pride. Yes.
Yes. But people think that it is something to be shaming for, but it is not.
You are correct. Everybody, an Hausa man should speak like an Hausa man. An Igbo man should speak like an Igbo man. Yes. A Yoruba person will speak like a Yoruba person. Because I've never seen an Englishman trying to speak like an Igbo man or trying to speak like an Hausa man or like a Yoruba man. Hey! I've learned something. I'll be proud of my own accent too. Hey! Hey!
You should, ODOGWU, you should. It is good. And it is good the way I spoke that you like me, ko? You does not like me because I speak good.
Yes.
But that is
Hey!
you try to do like a white man.
Yes.
Among you do like this, your hankali it's quanta, you speak how comfortable wallahi.
Hey!
The aim of language is to communicate, it's not to impress. Just I communicate with you, how can you understand me, ko?
Yes.
So,
Hey!
Okay, ODOGWU, I will go back to my reading.
Hey!
I want to finish this book today.
Hey!
I will call you when I'm done.
Who is this girl?
Yeah, hey.
Hey, bye.
I call you later.
Hey!
Eh?
This girl at Buffegum, I'm shocked. I know say you love me, and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yamba Comedian, click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, no, go. You are begging you, please go.